Hello everyone. Today we will start 7.4 Addition and Subtracting Rational Expressions. So we are given with the rational terms now, like A over C plus B over C. I can write A plus B over C. Whenever denominator are same, we can write the denominator only once and add the numerator. Now, in the case of subtraction, minus b over c, it will give me a minus b over c. Denominator is it common. Now, let's see the example. 7 by 4x plus 3 by 4x. 4x and 4x denominator are same. I write it only once. And the numerator get adds. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 by 4x, it's cancelled with 2 and you left with 5 by 2x. Okay, if I take another example, 2x over x plus 6 minus 5 over x plus 6. Both have the same denominator, x plus 6. And the numerator will add 2x minus 5. Okay. If you have to subtract, so we done this subtraction already. So let's see another example. 8 by 12x minus 5 over 12x. Both having a 12 as a common denominator, so 8 minus 5. 3 over 4x. 3 over 4x, 3 over 12, because I directly cancel it. 3 by 12x. So 3 4s are 12. 1 by 4x, you can write in the way. If you have it 2 over 3x cube plus 1 over 3x cube, I will write 3 over 3x. 3 and 3 cancel, only 1 by x cube left. Next, if denominator are not same, what we will do? If denominator are not same. If denominator not same, we have to take common denominator. See, A over C plus B over D. Nothing common, nothing fraction taken out. So I multiply C and D. It is C, D. D will multiply with A and C will multiply by B. Like this. Now I can solve it. Okay. The question is find the least common multiple here. Least common multiple mean the multiple that is the common and the least. I can write the polynomial 4x square minus 16 as a 4 taking common. 4 4 is 16, so x square minus 4. I can write x square minus 4 as a x minus 2 and x plus 2. Now look at the other factor. 6x square minus 24x plus 24. So taking 6 common, x square plus 4x plus 4. It is 6 times x minus 2 whole square. To find the least and common, the term which is common, check its highest power. X minus 2 and x minus 2 is common, and I have to write only one with the highest power, 2. X plus 2 is not common, write it down one time. 4 and 6. Common denominator of 4 and 6, common multiple of 4 and 6. Like 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 16 and so on. 6 ones is 6, 6 twos are 12. So the least common multiple is 12. So you will write 12 here. So this is the least common multiple of two polynomials. Okay, I write in this way. Next, we're asking to find the sum. Let's find the common denominator first. 9x square and another is a 3x here plus 3x. I can take 3 out, I can take x out, and you're left with x plus 1. Nothing common here, x here and x. So I have to take highest power of common term, x. This is 3, this is 9. So 9, 3 threes are 9 and 9 is already there. So 9 is at least common multiple of both. X plus 1 is not in both cases. So x plus 1 will be there in the common denominator. So 9, x here, x plus 1. If you see the first term, it has a 9 and x here already. Which term is not there? X plus 1. I multiply 7 with x plus 1. Then plus x as it is. In the denominator of x, it's a 3 times x and x plus 1. But I want 9 times x square x plus 1. So I want 9. So 3 was there. So 3 will multiply. X is there. So I want x square. So x, 1 more x is required. Open it. You will get 7x plus 7 plus 3x square over 9x square x plus 1. Then next, we have to find the difference. Again, let's find the common denominator. 2x minus 2. I can take 2 common, so x minus. Another is x square minus 4x plus 3. What are the factors? Factors will be x minus 3. X, yeah, x minus 3 and x plus 1 minus 1. X minus. What is common? X minus 1 is common in both. X minus 1 is. Whatever the term is common, write it only once. Whatever the remaining terms left, write as a multiple. So x minus 3 and 2. In the first term, you have a 2 and x minus 1. But x minus 3 factor is missing here. So I multiply the numerator with x minus 3. For the next, minus 2x minus 1. In denominator, you have x minus 3 and x minus 1. Both factors are there, but a common constant. 2 is missing, so you will multiply by 2. Because this term has denominator this. This is what? X minus 3 and x minus 1. It has already two same factors that I want, but 2 is not there. So I multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Now it's common denominator. Okay. You can open it. If you open, you will get here x plus 2 and I will get the factor x here plus 3x minus 4 over 2 times x minus 1, x minus 3. If I factorize the numerator, on factorization, it gives me x minus 1, x plus 4. 2 times x minus 1, x minus 3. I cancel this factor, x plus 4 over 2 times x minus 3. This is the remaining part. So in the last questions, we learn if there is a common factor cancelled, we have to write that term is not possible at the side. So x minus 1 cancelled. So x cannot be 1. Because in x minus 1, x is a 1 value. And it is cancelled. It's not look like it has a no interval of there's no interference of 1. But if I didn't cancel, then at 1, this fraction not exist. So after cancellation, we have to mention the term which is common and get cancelled. I'll write it. Okay. Next it says the function is there in the form of this and graph that describe the transformation. So I will write how to convert this in form. Use long division. X plus 1 and 3x plus 5. X is here, 3x is here. So I need 3. 3x plus 3. Change the sign. 3x and minus 3x cancel. 5 minus 3, 2. Let's write it. Quotient plus remainder over dividend. Now compare it. If you compare with that, with a over x, or you can say 1 over x if you want to compare with that. A over x or 1 over x. So what are the transformation? It is a 1 unit left. Vertical stretch by factor 2 and up by 3. This is okay. You can find it, you can draw its graph. 1 by x has a graph like this. It's shifted 1 unit left. So 1 unit left. Then vertical stretch by factor 2. So vertical stretch by factor 2. And shift by 3. Up by 3. It's up by 3. So y equals to 3 is a asymptote here. X equals to -1 is asymptote. This is the graph. Okay, let's do the next one. We have this fraction. I just have to simplify it. 5 over x plus 4. Divide with 1 over x plus 4 plus 2 over x. I can write the common denominator for the denominator part only. Denominator part has x plus 4 and x. The common multiple will be x times x plus 4. This term has already x plus 4, but x is missing here, so I multiply by x. This term has already x, but x plus 4 missing. I multiply this with x plus 4. Now open it. 5 over x plus 4 divide with x plus 2x plus 8. Whole term divide with x plus 4. X plus 4 and x plus 4 cancel. 5 over x plus 2x plus 8. I'm getting this. Here, what is x plus 2x? 3x. So 5 over 3x plus 8. I got this. Which term get cancelled? X plus 4 factor get cancelled. So I have to write at the side. X cannot be -4. Okay. And any other terms cancelled? It cannot be x as well. Because if x is 0, the denominator factor not exist. So you will write x is not equals to 0 as well. Fine. 7.4. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.